In this video I will show you how you can clean your iPhone port, your charging port in your iPhone when your iPhone doesn't charge anymore. You see it's charging a little bit and then it stops charging, or the connector, just the lightning port, it doesn't go inside. It could be most likely because there is lint from your clothes as you keep it in your pocket in the charging port or in the headphones port if you still have a headphones port on your phone. Also, please see these holes, the small ones, they might have also dirt inside them. Those are for the speaker and the microphone, the speaker and microphone, or the other way around, microphone and speaker. When these are they have too much dirt inside them, you won't be able to hear very well someone speaking on a speakerphone or when you watch a video on YouTube, and also someone might not be able to hear you very well. So that could be a reason why they can't hear you. To charge the lightning port, it's really easy. All you need is a toothpick, a wooden toothpick like this. And the lightning port, there is no piece of plastic like the USB port, micro USB or USB-C, so it's easy to clean, but it's important not to put pressure on the contacts. It still has contacts on the top and bottom, and you might bend some contacts if you scrape it too much. The main point where you need to scrape it is the back of the port, not the walls, the sides. The same treatment also for the headphones port, but on the headphones port you actually want to put a bit of, you see that's dirt from the headphones jack. The headphones port, you want to put a bit of pressure on the walls on the sides because they might get caught up in the connectors on the sides. This is a TRRS connector for the iPhone headphones with microphone, and after cleaning them I blow on the connector a little bit so it removes most of the extra dust. You can use compressed air if you have a can of compressed air, or just use anything you have. You don't really have to do it. The way to do it with the toothpick is really enough. This is on the headphone port, and you do it the same way on the lightning connector. The problem with the grills on the speaker and the microphone is that they are usually very small, and I tried to use the toothpick to clean this, but it's really difficult to actually do anything. Actually, I think I was pushing the dirt in the holes more. So in this case, I even broke the toothpick. You will see it right now. Yeah. So now the tip of the toothpick is broken inside the hole there, and it's really not ideal. The safety pin, it's thinner, the edge is thinner, and don't use a paper clip for this. You need a safety pin because it needs to be a needle, sharp needle. Going through the holes, trying to make it like a hook, placing it in from one edge, and then you see how it came out. This is the same way I do with the rest of the dirt. It will not all of it come out, but I don't need all the dirt to come out. I just need to open it up a little bit. When there is a bit of dirt, the speaker and the microphone, they're still working, but the problem is when there is too much, it seals the connector, the holes, and then you start to sound muffled when you speak to someone, or you can't hear the speaker well when you're watching some videos on YouTube. Yeah, blowing it a bit more, and yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, could be better, I guess, but it's up to you how much time you want to spend doing this. But if you do it, it's better to do it lightly, Don't press the needle too much inside the hole so you don't damage the speakers or the microphone. It's better to do it lightly and more often, once every few months, than once and very hard. Thanks for watching.